Welcome to our e-store. In this short video, I will show you how to create a customer account. The process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. Let's get started as I guide you through each step. To start the setup process, click Create Account in the top right corner of the menu. You will be redirected to the Create New Customer Account page. In the upper left section, enter your email address and choose a password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. A minimum of 14 characters, including upper and lowercase letters, and at least one special character. Next, fill in your personal details, such as your name and phone number, in the fields provided. Now, enter your company's billing address. If your delivery address is the same as your billing address, select the checkbox Use Billing Information. If you prefer a different delivery address, please enter it manually. To complete the process, click Create Account. Your account will now be created, and you can immediately sign in on the Customer Login page. You can now log in and start using the e-store immediately. If you need any assistance, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing us.